In this video, we will look at the deduplicate feature in Ocrato. This feature allows you to remove the duplicate files or replace the duplicate files with a link to the original document. We will use this sample of files which contains several duplicates. Click on the plus icon and select Deduplicate. Select the files you wish to check for duplicates. This feature also works for SharePoint. We have three modes that deduplication can run it. 1. Report only. Will produce a report of the duplicate files without taking any action. 2. Delete. Will permanently remove the duplicate files, leaving only the original. 3. Link to original. Will replace each duplicate with a shortcut to the original file. Here we will select to replace the documents with a link to the original. Click Save and Run. We will open the file location so we can see the deduplication run in real time. Notice how we are now left with the original documents and the duplicates have now become shortcuts. In this video, we saw how to use the deduplicate feature in Ocrato.